Tired of juggling multiple bank accounts, credit cards, and subscriptions? Feeling overwhelmed by your finances? You're not alone. Many of us struggle to keep track of our spending and make informed financial decisions. That's where personal finance tools like Quicken and Rocket Money come in. Quicken and Rocket Money are popular software solutions designed to help you gain control of your finances. Both offer features like budgeting, bill tracking, and investment tracking. But which one is the better fit for you? In this video, we'll dive deep into a comprehensive comparison of Quicken and Rocket Money, exploring their key features, pros and cons, and ultimately helping you determine which tool best suits your individual needs and financial goals. Let's start with Quicken. Quicken, a veteran in the field. Quicken has been a mainstay in personal finance software for decades. It's a comprehensive and feature-rich platform known for its robust budgeting tools, investment tracking capabilities, and tax preparation assistance. Key features of Quicken. Comprehensive budgeting. Quicken offers a wide range of budgeting tools, including customizable budgets, spending tracking, and the ability to set financial goals. Investment tracking. Track your investments across various accounts, including stocks, bonds, and retirement accounts. Bill pay. Schedule and pay bills directly from the platform, helping you avoid late fees and stay on top of your financial obligations. Tax preparation assistance. Quicken can help you prepare and file your taxes, making tax season less stressful. Financial planning tools. Explore various financial planning scenarios, such as retirement planning and college savings. Pros of Quicken. Comprehensive feature set. Offers a wide range of features to cater to various financial needs. Robust budgeting tools. Provides powerful budgeting tools for detailed financial tracking and planning. Strong investment tracking. Excellent for investors who want to track their portfolio performance. Tax preparation assistance. Can simplify the tax filing process. Cons of Quicken. Steeper learning curve. Can have a steeper learning curve compared to some other tools. Can be expensive. Subscription costs can be relatively high, especially for advanced features. Interface can be overwhelming. The interface may seem cluttered and overwhelming for some users. Now, let's turn our attention to Rocket Money. Rocket Money, the subscription slayer. Rocket Money has gained popularity in recent years, particularly for its ability to identify and cancel unwanted subscriptions. While it offers budgeting and bill tracking features, its core focus is on helping users save money by eliminating unnecessary expenses. Key features of Rocket Money. Subscription tracking and cancellation. Automatically identifies and cancels unwanted subscriptions. Bill negotiation. Helps you negotiate lower rates on your bills, such as internet and phone services. Budgeting and spending tracking. Tracks your spending across various categories and provides insights into your spending habits. Bill pay. Schedule and pay bills directly from the platform. Credit monitoring. Provides basic credit monitoring features, such as credit score tracking and alerts for potential fraud. Pros of Rocket Money. Excellent for subscription management. Effectively identifies and cancels unwanted subscriptions, saving users money. User-friendly interface. The interface is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate. Affordable pricing. Offers a more affordable subscription compared to Quicken. Strong focus on savings. Prioritizes helping users save money by identifying and eliminating unnecessary expenses. Cons of Rocket Money. Limited budgeting features. Budgeting features are not as comprehensive as those offered by Quicken. Investment tracking is basic. Investment tracking capabilities are limited compared to Quicken. Relies on AI, which may not always be accurate. The AI-powered subscription cancellation feature may not always accurately identify and cancel unwanted subscriptions. Now, let's compare Quicken and Rocket Money head-to-head. For comprehensive financial management. Choose Quicken. If you're looking for a comprehensive financial management solution with robust budgeting tools, investment tracking, and tax preparation assistance, Quicken is the better choice. For subscription management and savings. Choose Rocket Money. If your primary goal is to identify and cancel unwanted subscriptions and save money on your bills, Rocket Money is the more suitable option. For beginners, choose Rocket Money. Rocket Money's user-friendly interface and focus on simplicity make it a more accessible option for beginners. For tech-savvy users, choose Quicken. Quicken offers more advanced features and customization options that may appeal to tech-savvy users. For budget-conscious users, choose Rocket Money. Rocket Money offers a more affordable subscription compared to Quicken. Consider these factors when making your decision. Your financial goals. What are your primary financial goals? Are you looking to create a detailed budget, track your investments, or primarily focus on saving money on subscriptions? Your tech savviness. How comfortable are you with using financial software? Do you prefer a simple and intuitive interface, or are you willing to learn a more complex system? Your budget. How much are you willing to spend on a personal finance tool? Your needs. What specific features are most important to you? Do you need robust budgeting tools, investment tracking, bill pay, or a focus on subscription management? Both Quicken and Rocket Money offer free trials. I highly recommend taking advantage of these trials to test out the platforms and see which one you prefer. Ultimately, the best choice between Quicken and Rocket Money depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you need a comprehensive financial management solution with robust budgeting and investment tracking capabilities, Quicken is likely the better choice. If your primary goal is to save money on subscriptions and streamline your bill payments, Rocket Money is a strong contender. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.